What we have here is a Friedrich oil-fired furnace. It's for residential use, and we bought it in Amelia, Ohio in 2013. So it's used, and it uses a Wayne OEA burner, of which Wayne burner website said it's been out of production for some 30-something years. And it's got a tag on it, and the number is of the furnace is R983818. And then there's a model. It says OVA 095 AMA. Of course, T1 and T2 are just the connections. But this is what it looks like, and everything runs on a 1725 RPM revolutions per minute. So it's half of the newer ones, put it that way. The newer ones run at 35 something. But this is a new pump that I put on, new line, a new nozzle, and when I oiled the pump, I went ahead and oiled the blower, and I had oil everywhere. But this is the OEA, and I have no books for it whatsoever. So I'm dumbfounded on what year it was made and what specifications it has other than the tag. It says it came with I believe it's at an 85.85 nozzle at 70 degrees, and that would be awful big for this thing. But it's called Friedrich, or Friedrich, whatever you want to call it. Friedrich, right there.